often mistaken for a rock bass or green sunfish or a hybrid of the two. It is actually its own species. It can be distinguished from the rock bass because it has 10 spikes in its dorsal fin, 3 in its rear fins. The rock bass has 6. It has bars behind its eyes.
Got a little bass or something right here. It looks like a bluegill. Oh wow, I think that's a warmouth, or is that a red ear sunfish? I think it's a warmouth. Beautiful fish, isn't it? Cool. All right, good morning from Carr Lake. We're over here on the backside of the lake by the dam. We just caught, I believe, a warmouth. It's a very nice fish. Let's check him out. Yeah, that's either a red-breasted sunfish, red ear sunfish, or a nice warmouth. I think it's a warmouth. Really cool fish. Beautiful.
Or could it be a green sunfish or hybrid?